I've got some shocking news for you today. I just discovered a way to use Google VEO3 completely free, totally legit, no shady hacks. This is the real deal, straight from Google. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to unlock VEO3's text-to-video, image-to-video, and even video-to-video features without spending a single dollar. And here's the crazy part. I'll also show you how to keep this free access looping every single month. I'm Next Gen David AI, and on this channel, I share the latest AI trends, tools, and tricks to help you save time and even make money online. If you're into that, hit the subscribe button now. And don't skip ahead, because if you miss just one small step, you could miss out on the good stuff. First, head over to Google Gemini. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option for a free 1-month trial. Later, I'll show you how to loop it for unlimited months, but let's just get started. To make things easier, I've dropped a link in the description below. Just click that. Now hit Get Started. On this page, you'll see all the AI Pro features, but the ones we really care about are under Flow and Whisk. That's where VEO3 lives. Next, click Get Google AI Pro Free and agree to the terms. It'll ask for a credit card. Don't worry, I'll show you how to cancel so you won't get charged. Here's the trick. Enter your card, hit subscribe, let the payment process. Getting started with VEO3 for free is really easy. Just log in, add a credit card, or pick another payment option, and you're done quick and hassle-free. Then go straight to Google Pay subscriptions. Manage, cancel. Boom. You're still locked in for 30 days free. And Google even emails you a confirmation. Now let's get into VEO3 itself. Inside the Google Gemini dashboard, you'll notice tabs like this. It's part of the latest update. Go ahead and click on the Video tab. VEO gives you 2 modes. Fast, quicker generations. Quality, slower but better results. Right now, videos max out around 8 seconds, and you can even add sound effects, voiceovers, or background music. You can run VEO either in Gemini or in Flow. Think of Gemini as your all-purpose AI assistant. Videos, research, notes, images, all in one. But if your main goal is video creation, Flow is the better choice. It's like having a mini film studio right inside your browser. In Gemini, you can type a text prompt or upload an image. For example, I typed, "A Hollywood actor standing on a skyscraper saying, 'I want to be President of the United States.'" A few seconds later, I got the result.
I want to do a set of the matters. I want to be President of the United States.
Honestly, not super realistic, but fun enough for entertainment videos or just to play around. One limitation here. Gemini only gives you 3 videos per day. Up next, I'll show you how to use Google VEO3 for free right inside Google Flow. In Flow, credits matter more than daily limits. You get 1,000 credits each month. For example, generating an 8-second video in V3 Fast costs about 20 credits. Let me show you. I'll create a new project in Flow. Choose V3 Fast and type, "An Asian student in class standing up and saying loudly, 'I just got a Harvard scholarship.'" Flow even shows you a progress percentage as it renders. Nice touch. The result?
Just got a Harvard scholarship! I just got a Harvard scholarship.
Much better than Gemini. The background is richer, the motion feels smoother. I spent 40 credits on these 2 videos because I selected the option to generate both at the same time. Just so you can see the difference between 2 videos made from the exact same prompt. You can also choose to generate just 1 video here, depending on your needs. You can always check your remaining credits at the top. With 1,000 credits per month, plus Gemini's 90 free daily videos, you're looking at a pretty generous allowance. But what if you run out? Well, you can buy more credits, but honestly, it's pricey. A cheaper trick is to just create a new Google account, use a new card, and start the loop again. That way, you're essentially getting a fresh set of free credits every month. I tested another prompt. Spider-Man cooking dinner in his own kitchen. The result isn't perfect. The movements feel a bit unnatural and there are a few glitches, but overall, it's good enough and works for creative short videos. Next, I tried the image-to-video feature. I uploaded a forest photo with animals, then wrote, "Make the lion shake its head, the zebra wag its tail, and the giraffe move around." See that? Only one prompt, and it looks kind of complex. But from just a single image, VEO3 pulled this off. Not bad at all for a free AI tool. So there you go. That's how you can use Google VEO3 free for text-to-video, image-to-video, and even add sound or background music. And with the cancel subscription loop trick, you can keep doing this month after month without spending a dime. If this video helped you out, hit like so more people can find it, and subscribe to Next Gen David AI for more AI hacks and tutorials. And I want to hear from you. What's the first video you'd make with VEO3? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'm Next Gen David AI, and I'll see you in the next one.